Congratulations on advancing to level 1A of the Making Music Fun Music Academy. In this lesson, I'll teach you how to play Tock and introduce you to a new musical term. Let's get started. Tock introduces the musical term staccato. When a dot is placed above or below a note, the composer is asking you to play the note staccato, which means short or separated. Check out the first two measures of Tock. Each quarter note has a dot under the note, telling you to play the note short. You'll play C, G, D, G, C, G, D, G, with right hand fingers 1, 5, 2, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5. It sounds like this. Try it, remembering to play each quarter note short. Great! Let's practice the next two measures. You'll play C, D, E, C, D with right hand fingers 1, 2, 3, 1, and 2. C, D, E, C. Hold that whole note. Try it, playing the first four notes staccato and then hold the whole note for 4 beats. Awesome! The next 4 measures are almost identical to the first 4 measures, except for the fact that they're played with your left hand. You'll play C, G, D, G, C, G, D, G, with left hand fingers 5, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 4, 1. It's your turn. Way to go! Let's try the last two measures. You'll play C, D, E, D, C with left hand fingers 5, 4, 3, 4, and 5. Hold that whole note. It's your turn. Fantastic! Here's what Tock sounds like all the way through.